Welcome to Helicopter Explainer, where we are focusing on what the Central Bank of Kenya has issued as guidelines regarding the money bouquets. Money bouquet has grown tremendously. It is now almost started from Nigeria, got the craze worldwide, whereby on Valentine Day, which is a day for those ones who love each other, people give flowers. But this time, instead of the ordinary flower roses, people are getting money. You take your money to the vendor, and instead of her using the roses, she uses the currency. You can take 10,000 shillings. The 10,000 shillings can be turned into either 500 notes, or 200 notes, or 100 denominations, and they become as flowers. And the central bank, which is the regulator of all monies in this country, remember, every money is printed, every coin, every tender money is made by the Central Bank of Kenya. So, what does Section 367A talk about in the Penal Code? Helicopter has done this, but for the benefit of those lovers, what is the penalty that you're likely to face? What does the law say? Mutilating currency notes. Any person who willfully and without lawful authority or excuses defaces, number one, that type of putting money there is to deface. Tears, if you tear Kenyan currency notes, cuts, or otherwise mutilates any currency notes, shall be guilty of an offense and shall be liable to imprisonment for a term not exceeding 3 months, or to a fine not exceeding 2,000 shillings, or to both such imprisonment and fine. So what does the law say? If you do that, you are likely to go in for 3 months. Imagine if you are arrested on the 14th of February, you'll be in the whole of February, half of February, then the whole of March, the whole of April, and half of May. Those ones who are likely to use bouquets of money, I've assured you, the first time you'll see the outside of a prison is 15th of May. That's when you are going to come out. 2, or a fine of Kenya shillings, 2,000 shillings. The amount does not look much. 2,000 shillings is not very expensive. You can afford. But the question is, if the court decides to give you both 3 months and a fine of 2,000 shillings, keep off. You have learned the law. I know the lovers, the Juliets and the Romeos, who had prepared to receive or to make money bouquets. You are now alert that from Helicopter News, we always bring it to you the way it is. You now know the law. Avoid the law and keep watching Helicopter News, because remember, we are a running series of more than 36 episodes on the Penal Code. Wakili Danstan Omari wishing you a happy Valentine minus the money bouquet. See you on Valentine Day. Thank you.